Hey, my name is Kevin. I am the Senior Project Manager for Metal Morph, and welcome to METALCON 2025. So Metal Morph specializes in free-forming facades. We get involved from the design stage, and we can do engineering, we do the design, and we can actually bring a lot of solutions to a problem. So the turnout was a huge success in my personal opinion. And the showcase, what we brought over from overseas, had a lot of intricate parts where we showcased what we are capable of. And what really stood out, though, was our ability to take on a complex facade solution and do everything in-house, which goes all the way from designing, we do engineering and 3D scanning, from fabrication and all the way to installation, which is the whole 9 yards. The full scope capability is a huge selling point for companies who are looking forward to a reliable end-to-end solution for high-end architectural projects. If you'd like more information, you can always reach out to my personal email and the website address below. Thank you.